Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. Today we are going to see live trading session in options strategy, and this is one among the biggest and the most highest request I've been receiving from quite some time, and I was getting delayed. I was delaying myself for starting off this open trade segment, and this is the option calls in stock. It's an hedging strategy again, and we are buying stocks. We are not selling stocks, so the capital required also is very high. Sorry, it is very low. So I am trying to make sure that all of your requirements gets fulfilled in this, that your capital required also is less, and it is an intraday, and it's also a breakout strategy. It's so that you don't have to buy at exactly current market price. There will be sufficient time to enter the trade, and also it's an hedging strategy, so you don't have to worry about the stop loss. You just have to place entries in both the call and put, and just forget, nothing else to be done. Okay, so we'll look into the live trading session today. This is just newly started, and also I just want to mention one of my friend's name. His name is Bhupati, who took this strategy for me. He has done back testing. He's also done live trading for almost 1 month, and he has compiled the data and sent to me. So thanks to Bhupati who has done this. I should mention your name. So people who are watching the channel for the first time, this is my channel Angel Trading Friend. If you want latest videos and technologies and latest strategies and updates, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell button. Okay, so let us look into today's live trading video. So today the option stock selected was Sunpharma. So at around morning 9:15 to 9:20 I usually send the call. So today's call was Sunpharma 610C, that is a call price, and Sunpharma 600 is the puts. Okay, so this call was given around 9:20. So there is sufficient time in this. We are looking at the breakouts, so we don't have to worry about the. So the entry price will be given at 9:30. There will be sufficient time. We can select the stock and keep in the watch list. We can add the premiums in the watch list. Okay. So this is the Sunpharma which I also have added, and this is the put, and the price which will be, it's an intraday order, and the price which will keep a stop loss limit order, because we have to execute at a particular level, not before that. Okay, so the trigger price is 14.05. Let us keep a small buffer, otherwise if the sudden movement, then we will not get this price. So you can see that the put order is placed. So let me also communicate on the group so that others also can place it. Okay, just opening options. Yeah, so put buy put at 14.05. Okay, so next let us look into the call option. So this is the call option which we have selected. Okay, it is 610C. So let us also place order in call. It is 14.30, and we'll keep a small buffer of 10 paisa, and both the orders have been placed. So I'll update in WhatsApp also, so that everybody can place. Okay, so the buy price is at 14.40 for call. Clear? So this is sufficient enough. Lot of time for placing the trade. It is solving lot of your problems, and also capital required is also very less. Okay, so you can see that pending, both are pending. The call also is pending, the put also is pending. You can see the price is 14.15, and the price is 14.40. Okay, so there's nothing executed, both are in pending. Okay, so friends, that is how we place the trade, and you can see that already profit is done. The time is around 10 o'clock. We almost made 2,805 profit. You can see the buy high and the low which has reached. Okay, so this is the beauty of this, friends. Easily 3,000 rupees we got within 1 hour, sorry, half an hour. You can wait till end of the day, but otherwise I would suggest 3%, sorry, 5 to 6% is sufficient for the day. You can see Sunpharma 3,300 rupees. Yeah, easily done. So let me just show you the pending. Yeah, so you can see that one is executed, another one is pending. So it's an hedging strategy, so there won't be any stop loss. Okay, so let me just update in the group also to book the profits, book profits in Sunpharma. So target is done for the day at around 10 o'clock. So that's the beauty of this strategy, friends. Very easy, one very comfortable. Or you can also trail the profits, because most of the time end of the day you get much better profits, but I would suggest 5% is a decent enough profit. Yeah. And the other one, you can see Reliance also is in profit. Reliance was my covered calls, which you know that usually I provide covered calls. You can see it is a normal order, NRM mail, it's shown as normal order, where we buy features and we sell one lot of call option. So that also is in profit for the day. But our main thing is in Sunpharma option strategy, you can see that it is in profit. So this is the beauty of options trading, friends. It's very useful, very beneficial in case if you are working people. Just have to place the order and forget till end of the day. Nothing much required. And if at all you want to join or get more update about this, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And also I have the last month data which my friend Bhupati has compiled for the month of September. So he is done with the lot size, with CE price hit, the PE price hit, the close price, the investment, and what's the profit. He had a very decent profit of 54,000 with a maximum investment of 62,950. So I would suggest ideally keep a fund of 50 to 60,000 for this strategy. Whoever learned this and whoever are taking these calls, who are taking this open trade. And if you want to join Upstock or Zerodha, use the link which I provided in the description of this video. Any more further doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp on my number 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.